Welcome back to my channel CS Concepts. Let's continue with OOPS concepts. So first, let's see how to instantiate objects. To instantiate an object, type the class name. See, the class name is car, followed by 2 brackets. You can assign this to a variable to keep track of the object. Then you have to print it. For that, you have to type like this: print car A. Okay. Then we have to add attributes. After printing car A, it is clear that this object is a car, but you haven't added any attributes yet. So let's give the car class a name and color by rewriting it. You can see the function now takes 2 arguments after self, name and color. These then get assigned to self.name and self.color respectively. You can now create a new car A object with a name and color. See, I have created a new object with car name and color. In order to access objects attribute in Python, we can use dot notation, and this is done by typing the name of the object followed by a dot and the attribute's name. So finally we will get the car name as car A and car color as red. Now let's see how to define methods in a class. The class name is car and it does have a name and color which we can keep track of, but it doesn't actually do anything. This is where instance methods come in. You can rewrite the class to now include any method. See, here I am going to use a method price. Notice how the def keyword is used again as well as the self argument. The price method can now be called using the dot notation, and this method should return car A is expensive to the screen. Notice the parentheses here. These are always used when calling a method, and they are empty in this case since the price method does not take any arguments. Python object-oriented programming concepts will be continued in the next video. And if this video helps, leave a like, share this video and subscribe to CS Concepts. Thanks for watching CS Concepts.